Hi everybody, I'm Rob Goldwater, Sales Director at Trakm8. I'm delighted to be here at the Commercial Vehicle Show 2018, where Trakm8 is officially launching the brand new RH600, our 4G integrated telematics camera that we believe is the most advanced of its kind in the world at present. The RH600 is an extremely powerful piece of kit for any business that owns or operates vehicles, and is actually manufactured at Trakm8's headquarters around 15 minutes from where I am currently stood, right here in the West Midlands. The device combines high-definition camera technology and single-handedly allows businesses to address compliance issues, reduce insurance liability, identify driver training requirements, and even provide underlying vehicle faults before a breakdown occurs. The device is available with a single or dual camera and allows companies to remotely live stream footage from individual vehicles and also access historic video data. This video evidence can be vital in reducing accident rates. In fact, one Trakm8 customer reduced their at-fault accident rate by 20%. What's more, all video data is stored in the cloud, ensuring it is always instantly available and accessible when you need it the most. In addition to video, the RH600 has a phenomenal range of features, including driver behaviour scoring, remote tachograph downloads, CANbus integration, driver ID, and our market-leading vehicle diagnostics. It's even able to integrate with Trakm8's route optimization and scheduling algorithms. At the Trakm8 stand, we will also be demonstrating the RH600's advanced driver assistance functionality, which we are currently working on in order to help businesses eradicate distracted driving. You can find us here on stand RH600, where the team and I will be delighted to answer your questions about deploying Trakm8 technology to your fleet. We look forward to seeing you all here.